Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Coinbase wallet step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. So the tutorial today is how to create a Coinbase wallet. First, download and open the Coinbase Wallet app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap Get Started or Create New Wallet. At this point, you may be given the option to claim a free Web3 username. This username is powered by the Ethereum naming service and lets you send and receive crypto using a name instead of a long wallet address, something like yourname.cb.id. You can choose a username, decide whether you want others to be able to find your wallet using that name, or import an existing ENS name if you already have one. This step is optional, but keep in mind that once you create a username, it can't be changed later. Next, the app will generate a 12-word recovery phrase. This is extremely important. This recovery phrase is your private key in a readable format, and anyone who has it can access your crypto. Take your time here. Write the recovery phrase down and store it somewhere safe like a secure notebook, fireproof safe, or trusted password manager. Never share this phrase with anyone. Coinbase cannot recover it for you if it's lost. You may also see an option to back it up securely to Google Drive or iCloud, which is optional. After that, you'll be asked to verify your recovery phrase. If you chose manual backup, the app will prompt you to re-enter the 12 words in the correct order. This step is just to make sure you saved it correctly. Next, choose your preferred security method. You can set up biometrics like Face ID or fingerprint, a passcode, or both. Review and accept the terms of service to continue. Once your wallet is set up, it's time to add crypto. You'll need some cryptocurrency such as ETH to pay for network fees and use on-chain features. You can add crypto directly from Coinbase by tapping Buy in the Coinbase Wallet app. If you already have a Coinbase.com account, you can transfer crypto from there to your new wallet. In supported countries, you can also buy crypto using fiat through Coinbase Pay. You can also transfer crypto from another wallet. Just copy your Coinbase wallet address or use your ENS username, then send crypto from your old wallet to that address. After transferring or buying crypto, confirm that your balance appears in the Coinbase Wallet app and that everything looks correct. Finally, make sure your wallet stays secure. Never share your 12-word recovery phrase. Coinbase will never ask for it, and if anyone does, assume it's a scam. And that's it. That's how you create and set up a Coinbase wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.